Once upon a time, there was a princess, so fair and lovely, that the sun shone more brightly on her than on anyone else. The river stopped running when she walked by, so that it might gaze on her beauty. And birds sang underneath her window at night. This is my first submission for Nyx Face Awards Indonesia 2018, inspired from love and flower, because love is the flower you've got to let grow. I call it Maliqa, the flower princess. So let's jump to the how I create this makeup look. Started with applying a face primer that can hydrate my skin. Then for the second primer, I'm using NYX Shine Killer that can make my skin even smoother and minimize my pore. After that, for my under eye, I'm using orange corrector. And then I'm applying NYX Invisible Flawless Coverage with dapping it all over my skin with Beauty Sponge. For the contour, I'm using NYX Wonder Stick to contour my cheekbones and nose and blend it all the way. For concealer or highlight, I'm using NYX Gotcha Cover Concealer for highlight every part of my face that I want to highlight too. Here I'm using loose powder to bake my face. Say hello for my little tiny NYX Jumbo pencil I made. This is I'm using for best color for my eyebrow, and for the eyebrow color I'm using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. After that, I'm just giving my eyebrow some orange color to make my eyebrow looks even peachy or orangey, I guess. For the eye, I'm using orange color as my transition color and the darker shade for my outer V, and I'm using this lingerie for my eyelid for the cut crease effect. And then I'm just applying shimmer orange color all over the lids. After that, I'm just make some wing liner and giving a little sparkle with my metallic liquid eyeliner. And then applying fake lashes, applying similar color eyeshadow for my under eye, giving my waterline with white pencil eyeliner, some mascara, and highlight my tear duct. And yeah, I'm just finished for the eye look. Move on to the face. I'm just applying NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. I'm using the same orange color that I'm using for the eye, for my cheekbones and nose. And for the blush, I'm using NYX Ombre Blush. I'm using NYX Coffee Lip Cream in Stockholm as the base for my lips. Here I'm using some highlighter to giving extra sparkly, glowing, and shimmering. I take this fake flower as my I don't know, for under lashes, I guess, or some effect that I'm just a flower princess. Some gemstone onto my forehead and applying extra chunky glitter that I just love too much. Yeah, I'm done with the makeup. So here's the final look for Maliqa, the flower princess. taking my flower crown and flower ring for complete my look as the flower princess. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you like it and you love the makeup look. And see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.